Speaker sir, what did we do? We only published a draft notification. What does the publication of a draft mean? It is in public domain because even when we considered the public opinion, different surveys were made and 95% of the people wanted app-based taxi. Now whether people want the app-based taxi, as I also wanted the consensus of the House of the opinion of all honorable MLAs, whether in the ruling or opposition. Very consciously I put it, there will be an assembly session when all of you will speak. I don't want to decide something myself alone, Speaker sir. This is something which will impact us always. But my core thought remains. My core thought is, I will give a very simple example. At one time I remember, and many hoteliers spoke to me, they were very much concerned when Swiggy came, when Blinkit came and others app-based delivery models came, that we will lose business. At least I have 3 of the hoteliers telling me, these restaurant people, not only we get our customers as usual, but we get additional business because of Swiggy and these other agencies which transport the food to the houses of the people. Speaker sir, in the same way, I have been saying always in this August House, when you have big showrooms, when people spend crores of rupees, they have huge malls. Is it the case that people, if it is my choice, tomorrow is your choice, you will not order anything, or you will be made not to order from Amazon or Snapdeal or Snapcart or whatever it is? Can it be the case? What were these aggregator policies saying? I just want to highlight a few points. House may decide, because all will be called at the meeting which Honorable Chief Minister will take. We are not deciding anything now, but I just want to say.
No, just
1 minute. Let me finish.
Honorable LOP, please don't interrupt.
There is only one thing I will not, Speaker sir, the issue is,
Can I
what
look my
everyone has
thoughts?
said, is that the taxi owner, they have to be taken first into confidence. We as MLAs, all the opposition MLAs demand is get them. आमकां आपोवन कांय ना थिंगा, तांकां पयलीं हाडाय ते मिटिंगेक. आमकां हाडून फक्त सेम जातलें, कांय डिसिजन जावपा ना. We will oppose, but get the taxi guys there for
Yes,
your
of
meeting.
course. Speaker sir, I want to inform the honorable member or leader of opposition that my director went almost to every union, and most of the unions quietly came to me. Even the newly formed one association was there, North Goa Taxi Association, North and South Goa Taxi Association. And I know what they told me, but they don't want me to make it public, because what they say, they will jump at us. There are certain people in our own brethren in the taxi trade which will really trouble us. This was the reference, Speaker sir. So now also, it is not that I am taking a decision. Only I was telling him what the aggregator policy said. Let me say that, no. What the aggregator policy said, everybody in Goa should operate at the rates notified by the government. And recently there is a policy notified by the central government as of 1st July 2025. What does the policy say? The cardinal principle, 80% of the earnings should go directly to the taxi owner or the taxi driver, 20% should remain with the aggregator. This is what the centrally notified policy. You must be having a copy of that. Okay? What did our policy say, Speaker sir? What we notified, which was only a draft, 100% earnings should go to the driver or the taxi owner. Not a single pie government is going to charge. The digital platform, I will not call it an app, they will get only 7% which will be paid by the customer, and it will be point to point. By doing this, the trips that the existing taxi fellows are making, taxi trip matta, फाल्या म्हाका डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्मा फकत रिकॉर्ड येतले, हुंय पॅसेंजर वयला तो, तेगे सदांचे भाडे आहा, आमी तेका सांगना तूं उमके चार्ज कर, हें कर, तूं तुगेल हें कर, तूं जाय तेन्ना तूं ते डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्मार यो, पूण तुका एक शिस्त आसतली, सगळे येयल्यार आमकां कळटले कितले टॅक्सी जाय. आतां रेंट काराचेय प्रॉब्लेम येयला, तेय थिंगा लिंक आहा, आता रेंट कार आमकां कॅन्सील करतले कितल्यो गाडयो पोत्तून हे व्यवसायान येतले ड्रायव्हर हुंचे तरी घेवन तांकां येवचेच पडटले न्हू गाडी कितें घरा दवरतले तांकांय जोड करची पडटली कितले जाण आहा हे डेटा तरी कलेक्ट करतलो हुंची पॉलिसीच पयलीं सद्या करतलो जाल्यार तुका डेटा जाय कितले आहा हुंचे कुणशान कितले आहा दुसरो तेंचो प्रॉब्लेम तेंचोय बीन पॉयंट आहा हांव तांकां सारको दोश दिना ते म्हणटा हॉटेल येता तेन्ना आमकां सांगिल्लें हे हॉटेला कडेन उबे रावल्यार सगळें भाडें आमकां येवपा जाय संवसार चेंज जाला दोरी आमी हिंगा संवसारान ते चेंज जावपाक सोदना जिओ टॅगिंग म्हूण करपा जाता गाडी येता ड्रॉप करतले वयतले तांकां भाडें थिंगासून व्हरपा मेळपाना ते जिओ टॅगिंग ते सारके मोबायलाचेर येतले त्यांचे मोबायलाचेर येतले इवन इफ दे आर ऑन अ डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म एप दुकान ना जाल्यार सो जाय तशें उठसूट करून तांकां पॅसेंजर व्हरपा मेळपाना हेंय करपा मेळटा ऑन अ डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म स्पिकर्सर सगळें रिकॉर्ड येतले इतलेच रिकॉर्ड तांकां कित्याक नाका हिंगा एकूच प्रॉब्लेम येतलो आता एक्झिस्टिंग ऑपरेटर आसा गोवा मायल्स तेजे कितें जातलें युनिफॉर्म रेट जाल्यार तो 20% लेस ऑपरेट करता हे एक प्रॉब्लेम येतले देर आर सेवरल प्रॉब्लेम हे सगळे बसता तेन्ना आमी डिसायड करपाचें हांवें एकट्यान न्हू मान्य मुख्यमंत्री टुरिझम मिनिस्टर लिडर ऑफ पोजिशन कोस्टल MLA सगळे हेर कोणा जाय ते येवन एकदाच हे एक दीस 2 दीस बसून टॅक्सीवाले खंयचे तेंचे असोसिएशन आसा कोण तेंचे नामनेचे खरें हू विल सी रिजन ओपोज करपाक आमी करपाना तांकांय सगळ्यांचे सुटावो केल्लो जाय तांकांय आपया आनी हेजो सुटावो काडया खंयचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जायना म्हूण ना आनी म्हाका कितें अशेंच करपा जाय म्हूण हांव सांगपाक सोदना सो लेट अस सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम इफ ऑल ऑफ अस एप्लन जाल्यार हे प्रॉब्लेम सदांच उरतले दुसरें हांव सांगपाक सोदता स्पिकर सर आज टुरिझम आनी कितें जाता सगळ्यांक खबर आसा दोश सगळे टॅक्सीवाल्यांक दिता हांव परत हिंगा सांगता उबो रावन हांवें तांकां सदां एम्बेसिडर्स ऑफ टुरिझम म्हणून रावले आसा म्हाज्या तोंडान शब्द घालून दुसरे बोलदे उलयता आनी सांगता हांव तांकां कितें कितें म्हणलें म्हूण आय कॉल देम एम्बेसिडर्स ऑफ टुरिझम तेंचो एकट्याचो दोश ना तूं पळोवपाक गेल्यार म्हाजो फ्रेंड सांगतालो आतां सॅटर्डे बॉम्बेसून येवपा आसलो सडनली टिकेट जे 6,000 आसता 40,000 केली कित्याक सॅटर्डे सगळे येवपाक सोदता विकेंडाक गोंयान एअरलायनूय जाय तशें वाडयता मागीर आमचे हॉटेलवाले तेंचे रूम रेंट आसता ते वो तेंची पॅकेज आसता ती सडनली 2-3 टायम्स जाता डायनॅमीक प्रायसींग म्हणटा ते तेंचे डायनॅमीक प्रायसींग जाता जाल्यार एपाचेर आसल्यार विकेंडाचेर चड गिरायक आहा तेन्ना आनी चड डिमांड आहा तेन्ना आमी डायनॅमीक प्रायसींग इवन टॅक्सी करपा जाता तेणीय जोडपा जाय बाकी जोडटा जाल्यार नाजाल्यार सगळ्यांनी डिसायड करपाचें उमके फॉर्म्युलाचेर आमी काम करतले दुसरे चड चार्ज करता आनी आमकांच दोश दिता हांव टॅक्सीवालो म्हूण अशें जावपाक जायना सो ऑल दीस वी हॅव टू टेक इनटू कन्सिडरेशन स्पीकर सर इट हॅज टू बी अ बॅलन्स अप्रोच बिकॉज वी नीड टुरिझम टू सर्वायव काल संवसार आसलो तो आज उरला काल लोक येताले ते आज येता आज आमचे पॉप्युलेशनाक काय मायज कितले पाटी 10 ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 पाटी मायज टुरिस्ट येता or maybe 10 times. Already this is happening. Crores of people are descending on Goa. But recently, आमका जी bad publicity मेळ्ळा आणि bad publicity फकत टॅक्सीवाल्यांकूय न्हू एक बरे टुरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन जेन्ना डेव्हलप जाता जशी नोसाय जाता सगळ्या जाग्यार सोन ही नोसाय जावपाक लागला सो गोंय कशें सकल उडोवपाचें गोंयची इमेज कशी सकल उडोवपाची हे सदां जाता आमच्या पॉलिटिक्सांकूय जायना हे बिझनसांकूय जाता टॅक्सी वेवसायांक जाता टुरिझमाकूय जाता आमच्या स्टेटीचे म्हणजे विरोधकूय हे जाता हे आमी समजून घेवपाक जाय आणि तेजेर आमी सारखे डिसिजन घेवपाक जाय आणि तेन्नाच खऱ्यांनी मार्ग कितें तो आमकां मेळटलो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता ऑल द ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ऑफ फ्रॉम द अदर साइड though there are only 7 people but you are most vociferous don't be vociferous be vociferous for the good things as well let us all be together to save tourism the economy of Goa in politics and in governance is a continuous process today we are here we may be somewhere else you may be here who knows what can happen that does not mean that we should not serve the interests of Goa speaker sir we should serve the best we should do the best in the interest of the people of Goa should do the best in the interest of tourism पण हांगा कितें पॉलिटिकल पॉइंट्स स्कोर करपा जाय म्हूण हे हो कितें उलयता तो विरोध करता पर्सनल अटॅक येता गरज नासतना गरजेशिवाय हे सुद्धा जाता स्पीकर सर आनी आमी हावजान चोयला कितें जाता ते हांव नको एकदां आमकां कितें जाता ते तशें जावपा जायना वी आर हियर इन दिस ऑगस्ट हाऊस to deliberate, to discuss and plan and execute good things for the people of Goa. हे आमी लक्षांत दवरपा जाय आनी म्हाजो प्रिंसिपल सिंपल as far as taxi app principle is concerned, come on, let us decide, let us all sit together. Yes, I have a strong opinion. Even if we take a decision, I want to remain on record to the contrary that you don't want an app, you want a limited app where you will be limiting your options. Okay? You will be simply working against the interests of Goa in the long term, working against the interests of tourism in the long term. Then we cannot perhaps be classified as a world-class destination. Yes, most preferred destination you can call, but world-class destinations are open. I am not at all suggesting that Ola Uber should come. Ola Uber तुम्ही पहिला असतले आजसानी रिपोर्ट ऐकला असतले कर्नाटकान किती झालते तेलंगणा व बाकीच्या स्टेटीन किती झालते and drivers have revolted because they were exploiting the driver 30% कितें 30 or 40% ड्रायव्हरांक मेळटाले बाकीचे पयशे ते वतले आमी मॉडेल प्रपोज केले ते 100% ड्रायव्हरांक दिवपाक केल्ले आनी तितून वयल्यान दुसऱ्या कितलेशे बेनिफिट गायला ते वाच मुद्दम ते गायडलायन माझे कडेन फूल हिंगा कंपायलेशन आसा ते आख्खे वाचल्यार म्हाका दिसता 12 दोगून जावपा ना बट द प्रॉब्लेम इज that we have to be sincere to the cause. Don't play politics in that. My only humble request. Let us decide this thing with a cool head, Speaker sir. हेच म्हाका ॲप एग्रिगेटर बद्दल सांगपा जाय